one of the very important case studies from social psychology which focuses on the recent concern, and that is, are smartphones making your children smarter? Now many parents consider that carrying smartphones to school is really safe for their child in case of any unexpected event that could happen on the way while in school, and therefore they consider that if a child carries a phone with them, they are relatively safe. Parents feel that they can keep connected with their child at any point of time. However, there have been studies on the other front which shows that 97% of the children who carry smartphones to the school use that on an average for 43 minutes during the school time, and that was one of the studies which was brought as per the 2023 study for Common Sense Media, and they have said that this figures were mainly during the lunch, during the recess period, and the children are predominantly occupied with the screen time, and that has a great impact on their mental well-being because that is the time to connect with the peer group, to understand, to develop support system, to interact. And if a child grows with a peer, then there are less cases of anxiety and mental disorders that could be seen in the later life period. Jonathan Hadith, actually a well-renowned social psychologist, wrote a book which was called as The Anxious Generation: How the Great Rewiring of the Childhood is Causing an Epidemic of Mental Illness. Now this helps us understand that it's really important for a child to build social skills, to build social dynamics, and do different activities, handle different situations, but all those would come into play only when there is an interaction that takes place. In the lunchtime, in the recess, during the breaks, if the child is getting involved with the screen time, then they are not able to actually concentrate. Beyond that, once they enter into the classroom, they are unable to have better attention into the classroom. One of the researchers from Pew Research Institute actually talked about a survey where 72% of the public school teachers believe that cell phone was one of the major cause of distractions in classroom. Also, one of the recent studies have brought about an interesting fact on the study of the ACT scores. Now ACT is one of the standardized scores to get admission into colleges, and it is believed in the last 30 years, last year it was at its lowest score ever, and it has been attributed again to the fact that children now have lesser attention span. They are unable to concentrate on longer passages, and that is because they are having a high amount of distraction using social media applications, switching from one application to another in seconds and minutes, and this is creating an attention deficit. They are unable to concentrate on one thing for a prolonged period of time. Again, there have been alternatives that have been cited to parents' concern, which include the old-fashioned phone, which could be used for emergency purpose if a child is away from the parent by some means, where the child can stay connected, but at the same time does not have social media applications installed on it, and it's only meant for texting or calling. So definitely, this rising culture of smartphones isn't making a child smarter, and this is one of the studies from the psychology reports. We are considering this as a case study even for your optional answer writing. So we will be bringing many such interesting topics for you. Stay tuned, stay updated, please subscribe. Thank you.